Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today, we've got some thrilling news from Baidu, the Chinese tech giant. In an unprecedented move, Baidu has just launched two new cutting-edge AI models and made its chatbot services completely free. Let's dive into what this means for the world of artificial intelligence and how it's shaking up the competition. Baidu has been a major player in AI for years, but now the competition is tougher than ever. Recently, they launched two powerful new models, X1 Reasoning and ERNIE 4.5. The X1 offers the same reasoning performance as DeepSeek's popular R1 model at half the price. So why is Baidu going all out with these models? Well, there's a lot riding on this. Since the startup DeepSeek made waves earlier this year with their open-source and cost-effective AI model, Baidu realized it had to step up its game. DeepSeek's model was able to deliver AI capabilities at a fraction of the cost compared to Baidu's previous offerings. This move from Baidu is all about competing with the likes of ByteDance, yes, the same company behind TikTok, and Moonshot AI, who've been eating into Baidu's market share with their own chatbot services. So what does Baidu do? It makes its AI chatbot services free. No more monthly subscriptions to access these groundbreaking models. You heard that right, free. This is huge because it directly targets the growing demand for AI services across the globe. People are already turning to DeepSeek for their affordable, efficient AI models. Baidu has now jumped into the fray, offering their X1 and ERNIE 4.5 models to the public without any cost. Imagine access to multimodal capabilities, meaning this AI can understand and process text, video, images, and audio, and it can even convert content between these formats. Talk about next-level tech. Now, let's talk a little more about the specifics of these new models. The ERNIE 4.5 model. It's not just smart, it's emotionally intelligent. Baidu's been pushing the boundaries of AI with its ability to understand memes, satirical cartoons, and even interpret cultural humor, what they call having a high EQ. If that's not impressive, I don't know what is. But that's not all. The X1 reasoning model is one of the first of its kind to feature autonomous tool usage. What does that mean? Well, the X1 doesn't just process information, it can plan, reflect, and evolve its reasoning abilities on its own. So when you interact with this AI, it's not just giving you answers, it's thinking about the problem in deeper ways. With these breakthroughs, Baidu is giving tech giants like Tencent, Alibaba, and DeepSeek a serious run for their money. All these companies have been making waves in the AI space with their own unique approaches. Tencent, for example, just launched a new AI model in February that claims to answer questions faster than DeepSeek's R1, but it still relies on DeepSeek's tech. Meanwhile, Alibaba is making major investments in AI, with plans to pour a staggering 380 billion yuan into the sector over the next 3 years. In fact, Alibaba just launched its own new AI assistant app powered by an open-source model called Quan. And don't forget, DeepSeek has already made waves with their R1 reasoning model, which is similar to Baidu's X1, but at a much more affordable price. The battle for dominance in the AI industry is fierce, and Baidu is looking to stay in the race by making its ERNIE bot more accessible and free to use. Baidu's bold decision to make these AI models free, coupled with its move toward open-sourcing its technology, shows that they're not just playing catch-up, they're planning to shape the future of AI. With the world of artificial intelligence evolving at lightning speed, it's exciting to see who will come out on top. Will Baidu secure its place in the AI arms race? Or will competitors like DeepSeek, ByteDance, and Alibaba outpace them? We'll be keeping an eye on all the developments, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you're excited about AI, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which company do you think is leading the way in AI right now? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on all things tech. Until next time, keep exploring the future.